Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. Today we're diving into a quick update about the Tomato bot, its official listing date, and when you'll be able to withdraw your earnings. We'll cover when the currency will officially be listed on exchanges and how to maximize your profits. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. All right, let's get straight into it. As of right now, the only currency you can withdraw from the bot is the ton token, which you may have won from the spins we've been doing earlier. However, if you're waiting to withdraw your earnings from the tomatoes, the in-game currency, you'll have to wait for the official listing or airdrop, which was previously announced on Bitget wallet. Right now, your main focus should be on leveling up. The higher your level, the more you'll earn from the airdrop when it happens. Your level plays a crucial role in determining how much of the airdrop you'll receive. 90% or more of your potential earnings depend on this. So focus on increasing that level as much as you can. The levels range from bronze to silver to gold and even higher tiers like platinum. The higher your level, the bigger the airdrop you'll be entitled to. So how do you increase your level? Simple. You do this by collecting stars. For example, if you have 6 stars and every time you gather enough stars, you can level up. To do this, go to the Level Up section, click on Use, and you'll see your level increase. Now, where do you get these stars? You can earn them by completing daily tasks, playing the in-game minigames, and solving the daily mystery code. The more you participate, the more stars you'll collect. For instance, when you play the minigame, you'll collect both stars and tomatoes, which will be converted into rewards during the airdrop. There are several ways to collect stars. 1. Daily login. Logging in every day grants you stars. 2. Daily tasks. Completing these gives you a good number of stars. 3. Mystery code. Solving the daily puzzle can also earn you stars. 4. Minigames. You can gather stars by playing the in-app games and completing objectives. 5. Invite friends. You can even earn free spins by inviting friends, which sometimes results in free stars or even Tom coins. The mystery code is a fun little puzzle where you might be asked to click on symbols in a specific order, like once on a tree, twice on a tomato head, and once on a hamster. Every time you solve it, you'll be rewarded with stars. One important tip: every 3 hours, the in-game farming feature resets, so make sure to collect your 1,080 tomatoes every time it's available. These tomatoes will contribute to your airdrop, so don't miss out. Additionally, the minigame offers tickets, but be careful, they expire daily, so use them as soon as possible. The more tomatoes and tickets you collect, the better your rewards will be. If you want to withdraw your earnings now, you can play the game of chance available by clicking on the question mark icon. This mini-game allows you to spend stars to potentially win ton tokens. But I wouldn't recommend using your stars here. You'll need them to level up for the airdrop. Instead, focus on inviting friends and completing tasks to get free spins, which can also give you Tom coins and stars. So, when will you be able to officially withdraw your tomato earnings? The airdrop and official listing will happen around the end of October in the 4th quarter. That's when the currency will be given a market price, and you'll finally be able to cash out those hard-earned tomatoes. But before I wrap this up, I want to give you a heads up. The official Tomato bot page was recently removed from X, formerly Twitter. So be cautious of any unofficial pages out there. They may be fake or hacked. Make sure you're following reliable sources for any updates. To wrap up, make sure you're leveling up as much as possible, collecting stars, and gathering those tomatoes. The higher your level, the better your airdrop will be. And don't forget to link your wallet to the bot, whether it's Bitget or another compatible wallet, so you're ready when the listing goes live. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.